Hi guys! Oh my gosh! It's like forever. Parang hindi ko na alam paano mag-video. And look! I have a pimple. So after this quick video, kasi I'm just gonna show you what I got from Shopee. I'm gonna deal with this pimple. Wow! I'm gonna deal with this pimple. Okay. Anyway, gagalitan lang to ha. Si Shopee kasi nagkaroon siya ng parang fashion deals, something like that, the sale, and merong mga items doon na 9 pesos lang. So I bought those items. Well, technically it's not really 9 pesos kasi may shipping fee siya, which is sa akin na yung shipping fee ko is around 38 pesos per item. Kasi you won't be able to check out like 2 items from the same shop. Yung isa magiging original price, and then yung isa is yung sale na 9 pesos. So I've ordered several items from several shops, and actually hindi lang ito, yung iba hindi na siya na-ano. Let me check. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong mga pinag-bibili ko. So tingnan natin. This is one of the items that I got. Ano to? It's a I'm gonna see. Ano ba ito? Wait lang. Bakit ang laki? Yeah, ganito na siya. But it's still big. This is a dress. Ito yung... Tingnan ko nga. Anong pangalan na ito? Ay, wait. Where's my phone? I'm gonna check. So, this is the Ariel Korean printed puff sleeve dress. And this is in one size. So, wala akong choice. So this is what it looks like. Maybe I'll just insert some kind of photo kapag sinuot ko siya para lang makita nyo. But yeah, I chose color blue, and it's not giving me the vibe of a good dress. Naipakita siya ng ganito, no? Kasi hindi nyo siya ma-appreciate ng ganun, kasi ako hindi ko siya na-appreciate. But then we have another one. This is from another shop, and it's a dress again. It's a knitted one. This one is interesting. Oh, where do I get? It's not a dress. Nakakaloka naman. I ordered a dress, but I didn't get the dress. I think this is the shop na nag-message sa akin na parang sold out yung item. Ah, no, this one is actually not a dress. It's a knitted square neck na coordinates, and yung pinili kong color is actually brown, but wala doon silang brown. So this is what they sent me. It's a cords, guys. So I think the top is big again. Again, this is 9 pesos plus shipping. Yan. So I'm just gonna show you ng nakasuot or naka-picture. Dali, ano. And this one is another, I don't know, hindi siya nakalagay. Let's just open it. Ah! Okay, so I ordered a, parang mahirapan akong pakita sa inyo. It's a, tada! It's a hair. It's a, yung kiniklip na hair kapag naka-ponytail ka. Ayan, so I got light brown because my hair is nagla-light brown na siya. And yeah, this is only 9 pesos. I'm gonna try this one for you. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura niya. Although, alam niyo naman, manipis lang yung buhok ko, no? So, ayan. We have another one. Okay. So, this one is a t-shirt. This is actually an oversized shirt. And then, I still got the XL. Ito yung may size, pero pinili ko pa rin yung XL. Because it's not really that XL. Ayan. So, yeah, malaki talaga siya sa akin. Kasi XL yung pinili ko. Kasi gusto ko siya oversized. Although nakalagay na siya na oversized. No? And yung tela nito, hindi siya makapal, pero hindi rin siya manipis. So tamang-tama lang ito. Masarap siyang pangbahay. Well, oh, and this one, I got this for 1 peso. Like 1 peso lang talaga. Wala siyang shipping fee. And huwag na kayo magtao anong binili ko. No? It's just a clip. Bakit? Wala lang. Nakita ko lang kasi piso. So, binili ko. Tapos yung sinake out ko, walang shipping fee. So, ayan. So, ito. Dalawa siya, guys. So, ito yung sikat na, ang tawag dun, na clip. Ayan. So, itlagay natin sa buhok natin nang magkasilbi naman siya. Kahit alam ko dapat sa kabila siya, no? Pero, Diyan na lang siya pareha. Yan. Look. I don't know what to look like now. And I have another one. This is... Wait. Let's just open this. It's another dress. Another what? What is this? Oh my god, what is this? Ah, yeah, it's a dress. Oh my god. This one is so maliit. I think there's only one size. Although stretchy siya, stretchable. But it can fit me, definitely. This one can fit me. However, if they only have one size nito, masyado itong maliit. If this is just a free size, guys, maliit to. If you're interested, maybe I'll just put everything. I don't know. Just message me kung saan ko siya nabili. But again, guys, naka-sale ko nung kinuha ko. Kaya siya 9 pesos. So, most probably, hindi na sale yung price niya kapag binili niyo siya. This one is... Dami ko ng dress. Grabe talaga yung pimple ko. Gusto niyang magpakita ngayon nung kailan gusto mong mag-film. Ah, yeah. This one is a... What is this? Sasabihin na naman ng kapatid ko, apron ate. Apron. Hindi to apron. It's another dress, as you can see. It's medyo mahaba, no? Pag ganito mukha siyang apron, pero it's a dress case. Backless kasi siya. Ayan. So, backless siya. And yung tela niya, it's the same. It's almost the same with this one. Rib. Ganito ata yung rib type na tela. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag, pero alas pareha sila ng texture, although magkaiba sila ng parang design. So that's all the products I got from Shopee, yung kanilang fashion deals. So if you want more OOTD, I don't know. If you want more hauls, I have for you guys. Marami pa guys, as in sobrang dami.